This Dorian Bennett Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by Suzy McDaniel. Stunning home in most spectacular and unique settings in South Louisiana. 360-degree views of Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Catherine in the Rigolets Pass. Private and gated, main house has magnificent floor plan for entertaining with beautiful indoor/outdoor living areas. Olympic-sized pool, fishing pier with lights, yacht dockage, 3,900 feet of steel-reinforced bulkhead, boathouse with lift, tropical landscaping, separate 2,300 square feet apartment. Star quality. For more information, review the details below.